Oh, this is a great air show. I mean, this is a aviation town, if you will.
Yes.
Alliance Fort Worth is a great airport, does a great job of hosting us, and it's pretty exciting to fly over, Dallas, Texas, Dallas Fort Worth area, and it's a lot of fun here.
Okay.
So I was an F-16 guy my whole career in the Air Force. Before that, I was actually in the Army for 9 years. So been in a good amount of time. Just have a love for flying, and always wanted to represent the Air Force and represent the country in this way.
Approaching directly in front, your 2018 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta Bird.